It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 153. We have a y function in terms of m, and m function in terms of n, and n function in terms of x. The question is, what is the value of dy over dx at x equal 2? Okay, so using the definition of a chain rule, we can write dy over dx is equal to, here y is the function in terms of m, so dy over dm, times m is in terms of n, so dm over dn, right? And n function is in terms of x, so dn over dx, right? If we simplify this expression right here, dm cancels out, dn cancels out, right? So this expression is equal to dy over dx, right? So let's find the derivative of first the function y, derivative of y with respect to m. So that's going to be equal to, here derivative of this, that's 1 over 2m minus 11, right? Because of this natural log, times chain rule, derivative of 2m minus 11, that's 2, right? Okay, now derivative of m with respect to n. So m function is right here. That's exponential, so we have to rewrite this exponential function times derivative of this chain rule, right? So 2n minus 3. So far so good? Okay, times derivative of n with respect to x. Here n is the square root of 4x plus 1. That is equal to 4x plus 1 to the power of 1/2. So derivative of that with respect to x is equal to 1 over 2, 4x plus 1 to the power of negative 1 over 2 times derivative of this chain rule, 4, right? So that's dy over dx, and we're going to have to find dy over dx when x is equal to 2, right? So when x is equal to 2, what is the value of n? If we substitute 2 here, that's the square root of a plus 1, 9, right? So square root of 9, that's 3. When n is equal to 3, what is the value of m? M is equal to 2 times e to the 3 squared minus 3 times 3. 9 minus 9, right? So that's a 2e to the 0. This is equal to 1. So 2 times 1, that's 2. So when x is 2, n is 3, m is equal to 2. So we're going to find the derivative of y with respect to x when x is equal to, that's going to be equal to 1 over 2 times m is 2 minus 11 times, here 2 times 2, that's 4, right? So let's write 4 e to the, here when x is 2, n is 3 here, right? So 9 minus 9, 0 times n is 3. So 6 minus 3, that's 3. So far so good. Here we have 1/2, 4. So I'm going to simplify this. So I'm going to substitute 2 for x, right? So 8 plus 1, that's 9. 9 to the power of negative 1 over 2 times 2, right? So that's 1 over 4 minus 11, that's negative 7, right? Negative 7. Here, 4 times e to the 0, that's 1. So 4, 3, 2. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times 2, that's 24. Right? Here, this value is 1 over 9 to the power over 2, right? That's the square root of 9. That's the 1 over 3, right? So times 1 over 3. So if we simplify this, that's going to be 8. So finally, the answer is negative 1 over 7 times 8, negative 8 over 7. That's our answer.